Hey guys, welcome back. So we're continuing with the deep clean series, we'll call it. Look at that. I just cleaned the living room yesterday, or day before. Yeah, real life, just in case anybody thought that my house stayed the way that it is at the end. It doesn't. But today is my day to deep clean the dining room. So I'm not going to be like purging and doing a bunch of organizing, just taking things out, dusting, scrubbing, all that kind of stuff, because it's Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. So there's no sense in me going in and reorganizing all my china because I'm just going to pull it all out tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to get started because I have a lot to do today and this is just one of those things. So all right, so again, I'm just starting with cleaning off the table and putting all these things away because for whatever reason this became the catch-all this week, probably because I was cleaning all the other rooms and they couldn't be a catch-all. And now I'm just pulling everything out of my cabinets and giving them a really good wash because, you know, dust happens. I just love these glasses. They used to be my Nana's and then she gave them to me. I've never actually used them, but they are pretty. And yes, that is an ostrich egg. It's an inside joke between me and my sister. Maybe one day I'll share that story, but for now, I have an ostrich egg. I love candlesticks. I can't help it. If I go into a thrift store, there's a really good chance I'm coming out with a candlestick. The bluebirds used to be my great-grandma's. I absolutely love them. My great-grandma gave them to my mom, then my mom gave them to my sister, and then my sister decided that she didn't have a use for them anymore, so she gave them to me, and I love them. Again, just pulling everything out and wiping everything down. Not trying to declutter or purge. That will happen another week. I was dusting these shelves. They're frosted, so it's really hard to get the dust off, but the bottom one doesn't have the little rubber. Yeah, it just about fell off the wall. But I saved it. All good. These are just some of my favorite teacups. I have a collection of mismatched teacups, and yeah, a couple of them I've displayed. Some of them are in a cabinet, and I switch them out. And then they just sit up there with my willow tree ornaments. I love willow tree. There's so many that I still want to buy, but yeah, I just haven't. I'm not cleaning out the dresser. It's just an extra storage piece. It's where I store my extra candlesticks and serving dishes, tea towels, all that kind of stuff. But I've already gone through and purged this dresser, so I know that there's nothing in there that I want to get rid of. I love these black wine glasses. They were from my wedding. I don't actually use them because I'm afraid of breaking them, but they look pretty. And this is where I store the rest of my china. I have 2 sets. One is Petty Point and the other is Blossom Time, both by Royal Albert. I love them both. And I figure since I have 2 daughters, it's good to have 2 sets. Assuming they'll even want china when they move out. But, you know, if they don't, then they don't. But if they do, then it's good I have 2 sets. The bottom shelf just seems to be the catch-all for all the leftover, breakable, decorative, all those kinds of things. I probably will make a video completely reorganizing all of this, but not today. And again, cleaning those baseboards. You just don't realize how bad they've gotten until you get up close and you're like, oh my, how did that happen? And now I'm just going to sweep the floor. I'm not going to steam mop the floors because I'm going to do that tomorrow before our guests come, or more accurately, my husband will. But, you know, it looks like I never sweep, but I promise you, I sweep every day. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.